Friends, this is Tehran, the capital of Iran and the largest as well as one of the most influential cities in the country. This city is known worldwide for its fast-paced life, modern buildings, rich history and breathtaking views surrounded by mountains. Tehran is not just called a capital city, it is often referred to as the heart of Iran because this is where the country's politics, economy, culture and modern lifestyle all come together. Friends, Tehran is a city where you can witness a unique blend of tradition and modernity. On one side, you will find centuries-old palaces, mosques and traditional bazaars, while on the other side, there are tall skyscrapers, modern cafes and wide urban roads. This contrast is what makes Tehran truly special. If we talk about its location, Tehran lies in the northern part of Iran on the southern slopes of the Alborz mountain range. Because of these mountains, the city experiences a relatively cooler climate compared to many other parts of Iran. It even receives snowfall during winters, while summers are comparatively pleasant. Looking into history, Tehran was once just a small town. But in the 18th century, during the Qajar dynasty, it was declared the capital, and since then, it has grown into a massive metropolitan city. Today, Tehran is not only an administrative center, but also a symbol of Iran itself. Friends, you might be surprised to know that Tehran is also the leading city in Iran when it comes to education and technology. It is home to some of the country's top universities, research centers, and tech companies, which makes it a hub of opportunities, especially for the youth. Now, if we talk about population, Tehran has more than 9 million people, while its metropolitan area reaches close to 15 million. The main language spoken here is Persian, but English is also understood to a certain extent. When it comes to food, Tehran has a lot to offer. Famous dishes like kebabs, saffron rice, fesenjan, ghorme sabzi, and a variety of traditional desserts are loved by both locals and visitors. In addition, the street food found in traditional bazaars offers a unique and authentic experience. Now let's talk about administration and importance. Tehran is the political center of Iran, where the country's government, parliament, and major institutions are located. Economically, it is also very important, as many major banks, companies, and industries are based here. Friends, in terms of tourism as well, Tehran is no less than any other major city. Its historical and modern attractions draw millions of visitors every year. Major places include Golistan Palace, Azadi Tower, Milad Tower, the National Museum, and the Grand Bazaar. These places allow you to truly experience the culture and beauty of Tehran. Now talking about connectivity, Tehran is well connected to the rest of the country and the world. Imam Khomeini International Airport is the main airport of the city, from where flights operate to many major global destinations. Within the city, transport facilities like metro, buses, and taxis are also well developed. So friends, how did you like this information about Tehran city? Do let us know in the comments. We will soon come back with another story of a new city or district. Till then, thank you.